What's up, guys? Quarantine cruise 35. So it's 2 months since the last cruise because we got rained out actually, and oh my god, it's popping. I mean, you can see behind me, it's getting nuts. Subscribe if you haven't. This is like my 10th or 11th cruise. Ton of awesome cars here. Watch this. I told you. Man, it's awesome. So I'm gonna get a ton of footage today, including driving footage, so stay tuned, kick back, let me know what your favorite car is, and we'll see you at the end. Crazy painters. Look at that paint. So clean. The gray Stang 66. So nice. Smile.
How are you?
Good. Whew. Man, this must be wicked to drive. Love the orange. Wait for it, this is pretty awesome. I love Cobras anyway, but it just gets better because there's two. And two more. Love the two-tone. Digging the color. It's been a while since I've seen this ride. Boosted Vel. Give him a follow. Holy torque, Batman. Let's talk to the owner. 1,100 pounds of torque. 1,100.
Is it what? Painted?
You heard me.
It's like a gray.
Everyone's welcome here. Even the reliable cars. A ton of bugs. The bugs keep multiplying and multiplying and multiplying. Wow, so much fun. Never gets old. Dave Castle's ride. I love the two-tone. Here's something you don't see every day. A carburetor. Super clean. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this looks like an LT4. This must be fun to drive. The General. Here's the ultimate California car. Wait for it. Look at this. Oh my God. How much fun is this? Woo. Pretty penny. Look at the copper. Port injected twin throttle bodies. Bel Air. Wow. So this is the San Diego contingent. What's up, Autotopia, LA?
This is our boy Fast Monty's Garage.
What's up, guys?
He has a YouTube channel. If you haven't seen it, you should go say hey and follow him. And he'll teach you how to. By the way, this is done by a guy in his garage that doesn't build cars. He does it for a living. And he did this entire car himself in his garage.
Hey, we got to do Rev 2.0 of our shoot.
Yes,
from all the upgrades I've done.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, bro.
See you, man.
See you guys. Yes. Ready? Nice. Nice little van. That plate is black and blue. Huh. Don't know if that's legal or not. Yep, that's California right there. My little dinghy in the back of my house. Pretty penny sitting next to Green Envy. Guys, what's up? We made it to the meetup spot. I hope you enjoyed that footage. There were a lot of cool cars on that cruise, as you can tell, mostly Pontiacs. Yeah, I hung out with the San Diego crew, so that was fun. But I didn't show you yet my new port injected engine. Check this out. So we just did that a couple days ago, but in YouTube time, don't know what order if this cruise video is going to come out before that video, but stay tuned. It's running great. I love it. Wow. So I'm going to go film some more cars, wrap this up because I got to get home soon. See ya. I don't think I've seen this one yet. This is Brendan's Firebird. I don't know if you guys have seen it before, but it is basically Hot Wheels branded because he works for Hot Wheels. I have several of these models at home, and so does my son. But Brendan's an awesome guy. Follow him on Instagram and, you know, stay up with his work. My original dream car, IROC Z. Sweet. I haven't seen one of these in person in forever. All right, I made it home. The car's not on the lift because I didn't make it home on my own power. I had to get towed. Yeah, first time towing the car. The beauty of that was the tow hook work that I put on there, and the tow truck driver was even amazed I had it on there and was worried on how to attach the GTO to the tow truck. So that's the positive. Some of you were at the cruise and witnessed the issues I was going through, so let me leave you some of the symptoms for next episode to troubleshoot. So, number one, the car was dead. I wouldn't start. It sounded like starter heat soak, but I finally jumped it. I have a little jumper box. I jumped it at the show on the way for the trip home. Went to a gas station to fill up. Dummy me, turned off the car, filled up, and then the car wouldn't start again. Had to get someone else to jump me. Then I made it about halfway home, and I looked down, and my tack had 0 RPM. But the engine's running. You know, I'm in like 5 to 10 mile per hour traffic, which was also painful, but the SPAL fans were working great. And about another mile goes by, and the car's stuttering, bucking, and I said, okay, I pull over. Maybe I have a loose wire because of the port injection install. I was in there wiring, doing different wire connections, so maybe there was something loose. So check that out. The car running. Nothing changed. I get back on the freeway, get towards the fast lane because I was moving quicker, and the power goes out. So, yeah, the engine dies completely. Pull over, can't start the car, nothing, no noise, nothing. So those are the symptoms to work with, because next episode, we are going to troubleshoot what in the hell happened and fix it. And that's part of the drill with owning an old car. You have to be prepared for these circumstances, and that's why I'm here, for you guys to learn from my mistakes, right? So leave a comment what your favorite car was. Special thanks to the San Diego Pontiac Club who went up from San Diego with me. There was 5 of us on the freeway by ourselves. That footage was awesome. I can't wait to do it again next time. So as you know the drill, or if you think you know what's wrong, leave a comment, and hey, 10 bonus points for you if you guessed it. So until next time, building fast, driving faster. See ya.